Today in class we discussed transformation tools, and I taught you 4 of them, and you're going to spend the first part of today's activity literally just practicing using them. Now technically you can select any object with the selection tool and rotate it, but the rotate tool is specific for rotation. So when you get to this part, please use the rotate tool. The quick key is the letter R, right? And really think about this transformation point. It's that little blue dot in the center. You can move it, but it basically controls the origin point of where you're transforming something. You're going to try your best to match each one of these on the right to the image on the left. You're going to do the same thing with the reflect tool. So you're going to access your reflect tool, select your object first, decide where your transformation point is. I'm going to have my transformation point like right at the foot of the fox because I want him to turn and face that way. Then I'll take my selection tool and move it over. The same thing for everything else. They're just in the wrong direction, either vertically or horizontally. The scale tool, again, you can technically do one of these guys, but sometimes with the scale tool, it just allows more precision. So we can take our scale tool and just, again, drag and pull. Keep in mind that some of these I held shift for and some of them I didn't. The last one is the shear tool, and the shear tool takes a little bit more technique. I purposely denoted where the transformation point is on some of these so you can see it. It's that little blue dot again. So I'm going to select my shape, access my shear tool, there is no quick key, and really decide where I'm going to put my transformation point. I want it on the corner of that orange thing. And then while I pull with the shear, it will kind of shear out my shapes along that origin point, and I should get something that looks exactly like the image on the left. I'm going to repeat that for each one of these. Keep an eye out for the transformation point. Once you're done with that part, pause and put your screen to 45 degrees.